Khosi Nation, welcome to True News Sport. Bafowethu, we have a game ezodlala on Saturday. We are playing against Timakes. The first thing that I want to say, wenze lutho ingabi surprise, it's uKwinika bafowethu. Kwinika, I saw him yesterday. He wasn't looking okay. When he visited, he always visit his family here in Freedom Park, where I live. So he always visits his family, especially when we won as Kaizer Chiefs. When we lost, he doesn't come to Freedom Park. So yesterday, when he jumped off his car, he wasn't walking properly. It looks like he has an injury. I don't know how serious it is, but le injury ekhona bafethu ingamphazamisa ukuthi angabi khona kule game elandelayo. So angazi ukuthi i-management nama-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs azoyiplana kanjani ukuthi kube khona umuntu ozomreplace lapha, or they're going to play uMiguel on the right side and then badlale uMcCarthy maybe on the left, because uMcCarthy will be back from his suspension. So asazi ukuthi lapha bayoplana kanjani, but let's hope ukuthi lento abayiplanayo it will work bafethu, because uMiguel man is doing a lot of mistakes. At least to Kwinika, when he's there, you can see a difference. You can see a character ka Kwinika. He's doing a great job of it. So we cannot lose someone like this, especially when we are under pressure of it. So on Saturday, bafethu, I hope also Chislett will be back, because I don't understand ukuthi he got injured when he was preparing to come to a game. I don't understand how. Because of it looks like lapha Kaizer Chiefs bafethu image fitness is not enough to amajita bafethu. That's why uzothola ukuthi tomorrow we're losing that guy, tomorrow we're losing another guy. It's not enough. I think they have to do better in terms of image fitness. Amajita abe fit bafethu wenzela ukuthi singahlali njalo we are losing players. I-player once la ngathi idlala kahle sele injured and then we don't see that player. So we need to see ama players coming to the party bafethu.